Okay, once you open the page number 57 and watch it, what I am going to discuss. Sujata lives in Khammam. She is going to her uncle's home in Hyderabad for Dussehra holidays. Sujata's grandmother gave her an old watch before she left home. Sujata saw the time in her watch many times during the day. When she got on the bus, it was 3 o'clock. When she stopped for tea, it was 4 o'clock. When she reached her uncle's house, it was 6 o'clock. So Sujata lives in Khammam. From Khammam, she was going to her uncle's home, which is in Hyderabad, for Dussehra holidays. And when she is going to the Hyderabad, her grandmother gave one hand watch for her, wristwatch. That is an old watch. And she have wore that watch for the hand, and she was observing the timing. She was watching the time to time, in different times. When she started in the bus in the Khammam, the time was 3 o'clock. So means the clock was looking like this. 3 o'clock. After some time, when she was going for when she get down for the tea break, after some time bus was stopped at the tea break, that time was 4 o'clock. Then clock will look like this. Can you say that? Can you show the time perfectly? This is the 4 o'clock. And when she reached the Hyderabad, then he watched the time again. The time is 6 o'clock. Can you show 6 o'clock? How do you show? 6 hours hand will be here, minutes hand will be here. You see here, she found that there is something different. There is something happening in between the hands, in between the minutes hand and hours hand. So you see, when the time was 3 o'clock, this gap, the gap between the hands are this much. The gap between the hands will be like this. So it's like this. The gap between the hands is like this. Okay. So after some time, what happened? So the gap became like this. You see. So means you see, this is the gap. This gap is going to be changed. Like this it is changed. And at 6 o'clock you see the gap is changed again. Means you can understand here what is happening here. This center place is not changing. The center place is here only. And only hands are moving. Hands are not moving like this. And hands are not moving like this. How the hands are moving? You see how the hands are moving? Like this moving. Can you find? Do you understand what is happening here? Hands are moving like this, not like this, and not like this. The gap is increasing. Like this gap is increasing, not like this gap. The gap is increasing like this. So now 3 o'clock it is. Now after some time it was increasing like this. After that it was increasing like that. Okay, so that is happening here. So by this stick, okay, sticks also you can say here. So now first time was like this, angles are like this, this side. Hands are like this. After some time what happened, you see, this hand came down like this. When she reached her uncle's home, that time this hand moved like this. Means here, what are you going to find here? The gap is increasing and decreasing by moving the hands like this. Hands moving, I think you are understanding. How the hands are moving? Do you understand clearly how the hands are moving? Yes. Okay, this is the way of moving the hands. Yes. Okay. So when the two lines are moving, means when two lines are moving to create the gap like this, This is called as angle. Not like this gap. Like this also moving, creating gap. Like this also moving to create gap. Like this also moving to create the gap. Like this also moving to create the gap. But I am not saying that one. What you are going to observe here? We are observing like this. How? Like this gap. Okay. Hands are moving like that. One place it is fixed. One place it is fixed. Only another side. One side it is fixed here. Another side only moving. Another side only moving. So this gap is increasing sometimes. Now this gap is decreasing. Now this gap is increasing. Increasing. You see, gap is increasing a lot. Okay. So gap is decreasing now. Now it is increasing now. This movement of gap, the gap which you are finding by this movement, that is called as angle. That is called as angle. So it is also angle. This is also angle. This is also angle. This is also angle. This is also angle. But this is not angle. This is not angle. This is not angle. Shifa, watch carefully. What is angle? This gap. Both are fixing at one place. The another movement, another end is, one end is fixed here. For this one, one end is fixed. But another end did not fix. The another end is moving to create the gap. When this end is moving, gap is increasing sometimes, gap is decreasing sometimes. So when we are finding this gap is called as angle. The created gap here is called as angle. So clear? Do you understand here? In this, when she observed that the cloth hands she was observing, then she found that the gap between the hands are changing time to time. At 3 o'clock the gap was like this. At 4 o'clock the gap was like this. At 6 o'clock the gap was like this. So means she found that time to time the gap is going to be increased. So means what is this gap? This gap is called as angle. So now the gap is less, that's why angle is less. When angle is increased, again at this time angle is increased. So about this measurement we will learn in future. But measurement noted to us, we are going to find this type of gap where the one end is fixed here and another end is moving. Because of that, one type of some place is forming there. Then gap is creating there. That is called as angle. Okay, do you understand clearly what I am saying about the angle? Now can you say to me, in your house did you find that gaps anywhere? Yes, where do you find? Angle, forming angle gaps. Not in clock, any other places. You see, when the door is closed, you are opening the door. When you are opening the door, what is happening there? Door is closed. You open the door. You just assume that here wall is there and this is door and you are opening the door. What is happening? Gap is forming now. Center it is fixed now. One side it is fixed. Only it is opening the door like this. Then gap is forming now. That is called as angle. Is it or not? And you see, hand like keep like this. Here angle formed or not? Where is the angle? Here. This gap is angle. So if you move like that, now gap decreased. This is also angle. This is also angle. Because gap is there no. Here it is center point and here gap is there. Okay. And you see, I kept here fingers like this. Yes. This gap is formed. But here this gap is not angle. Is this gap angle? No. Here, why? Because here ending one place is fixed there. Another one gap is there. So this is called as angle. Okay. In English alphabet, so many places you can see that. In English alphabets, V, A, T. You see in A. This is A. Can you find where the angles are forming here? Here angle is forming. Not only there. Here angle is forming. In this place. In this place. In this place. Yes or no? Different places. In T is there. So here angle forming. In this place angle forming. X. Here angle is forming. Here angle is forming. Here angle is forming. Here angle is forming. So I think you are finding that like that. And you see your textbook. Open the page like this. Angle formed now? Huh? So like that in so many places you can see at the walls, when the walls, two walls are joining. Two walls. In your house, two walls. First wall, one more wall joined like this. When two walls are joining, then angle formed now? So in the notebook you see, textbook, this line, one line, two lines. There here angle formed now? Here angle formed now? Here angle formed now? So this angle means what? You see fan. What's the fan?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Fan. Your fan, ceiling fan.
3, 4, 5.
What's the ceiling fan? Angles are there? Yes. In so many places you can find the angles. You see, my collar you see. Angle formed here. Your nose. Angle formed there. So at so many places you can find the angles in our surroundings. So we are going to discuss about that angles in our surroundings. Okay? So that is the topic we are going to learn today. Okay, just open the page number 58. Here so many examples are given, you see. Door, when the door is closing and opening,
TV.
angle will form. Yes, very good. On TV you see, now like these are not there. Once upon a time antenna TVs are there. Antenna moving like this. Then angle will form over there. Next. So you see here, one person is moving at the corner, walking at the corner. There also angle forming. You see in your geometry box, I think maybe if your geometry box is having the compass will be there. Move the compass, move the divider, angle will form, you see. What man? Ladder. In ladder also you can see the so many angles. Okay, you can see here in left hand side 59, page number 59, some examples. You see that fishing tank. And you see that swing. See that swing is there. Where the swing is there that the directing poles are in the form of their angle formed there. So now can you do one thing here? Do this. Question number 59. What is the do this here? Shifa, watch here.
Angles will help you.
So what is the question here? Mark angles in the given pictures. Try to mark more than one angle in each picture. Mark angles in the given picture. pictures. Try to mark more than one angle in each picture. So can you mark the angles here? Where do the angles form in these pictures? So many places are there. You have to be watched perfectly. So you are thinking here only in this. Round should not take, only lines at corner. You are thinking, you see here, the parrot is there. Like that is the parrot. You are watching, this is only angle. But here also angles are found over here. Observe that all carefully, and where the angles are forming, that you mark it enough. Only marking like that. So only you need to mark the angles. Where do you find in these pictures? There is fish is there, divider is there, ladders are there, bench is there. In different places you can watch the angles here. Wherever you are finding the angles, you just mark it with your pen. So better to mark with the red pen. It will be look clearly. Shifa, can you do it? Can you do Shifa? Shifa, can you do it? Okay, so only in this bit, page number 59, just you need to mark the angles. Not more than that, only marking angles. Not now. After class you can do it. And open the page number 60. Page number 60. So here you see that they take a square sheet of paper, fold it twice as shown, and unfold it and see here. There you can find the angles you see. So take the paper, one paper you take. You take one paper like this, then fold it like this. First fold, then second fold. Vishal, where are you? So now open the folds again and check. You do one thing. Where the crease formed, there you draw the line. Where the crease formed, you draw the line. Here crease is forming, no, then draw the line there. And you check that, did the angle form there? Yes. The creases from, you got the creases like this. So means here angle is forming now. And you here see, observe carefully, this angle is like looking like L shape, exactly here like this. One opposite to another. One line opposite to another exactly is there. Not crossing like this. Like this you can find here. One opposite to another. So this type of angle is called as right angle. This type of angle is called as right angle. Right, R-I-G-H-T. Right angle. R-I-G-H-T. Right angle. What angle it is? So how it is? You see, one opposite to each other, like L shape. Not like this and and not like this. Exactly, very good. One opposite to each other like this. So one opposite to each other like that is called as right angle. When you fold the paper, you are finding like this, and right angle, all the angles you are showing like this, no. But right angle you will show like this. When you are finding right angle, so here it is not right angle, so you will show like this. But when you find the right angle anywhere, you should show like this, not curve. Here you are watching, see curve you are trying, curve. But when the right angle is there, how do you show? Like this you will show. You also show like L only. Do you understand what I am saying? If you find right angle anywhere, so you see here I am observing that I have drawn the X here. Here you see, are you finding right angle? Right angle is not there. That's why how do you mark? You will mark like curve. You will mark like curve. But you see, when I have written H, I am finding the right angles here.
Yes.
Yes, no, opposite to each other like this. Then right angle, how do you mark? Not curve. We will mark like this. We will show the marking like that. When you are finding the right angle, you should show like this. When the right angle is there, you should show like this. When the not right angle is there, curve you will show. Okay? So marking difference. Right angle you should mark like this. Another angles you should mark another way. Okay? So you see, right angles, we will watch the right angles in so many places. You see in your wall, near the wall, when corner of your room, opposite to each other. There, what angle is forming there? Right angle. You can see, you can watch the window of your house. Window of your house. Manikarnika, I think you are not watching. Window of your house. You just watch the window of your house. You see in this window, maximum right angles only are there. Like this right angle, like this right angle, like this right angle, like this right angle. So many right angles are looking here in the window. You can watch your window.
All have drawn.
You watch the shelves of your house. Shelves.
Shells.
Shelves also you watch. There also right angles only are there.
Shells.
Yes, bench corner. She is showing that bench corner. Corner of the bench is right angle. Very good, very good. Corner of the bench is right angle. Shifa showed that. Very good. Yes. So many places in your house. Yes. Geometry box. That
Scale.
pad edges. Okay. Room corner. Very good. Room corner is right angle. Very good. Yes. So book edges. You can see the book edges. No. Manikarnika, you are showing one side only, not one side. Angle means you should show like this. Yes, no? Angle means like this. Like this. So where you find like that, so many places. Right angles are, you can watch in so many places. Right angle is most important angle in our daily life. In our surroundings, we will watch the right angle a lot. So this is called as right angle. Okay, like this angle is called as right angle. Okay. Now all of you see here, we have some work in the page number 61. Do this. Page number 61. Do this. Mark the right angles in the given picture. Only right angles, not other angles. Don't mark the other angles. Only right angles you mark. picture, so many places are there. Is the currency note? Currency note is here, 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 here. You can find it now. And this clock, you can find this. In this wall, bricks are there. There so many right angles are there. In this ladder, sorry, steps, more right angles are there. Not only one. In every picture, more than one right angles are there. You need to mark all the right angles. But condition is set to know. How do you mark the right angles? Right angle, suppose you see 10 rupees note is there. You should mark the right angles in this shape. Here, here, here. In clock, see, watch carefully. Hands are there, you see how they are there? Hands. Observe carefully. Cross are there. Cross okay, but right is there. Maybe you are thinking, okay, somebody will confuse here. Right angle means always it should be like this only, you will think. Not only like that, like this also right angle only. But what is happening here? Something bent. But this gap, you see, gap is right there, right gap only, no? You can show, man, like this you will show. You see here, it is looking cross, but gap is yellow, you know, gap. Only you have to watch the gap. This gap is yellow only. Shifa. That is, their lines are not there, curves are there. Leave it, you watch here. Okay, Malikarnika, do you understand? You will think this is not right angle. It may be cross, no problem, but this gap, you watch it, gap. Gap must be right angle. So you see here I kept like this. Means if I bend like that, it is not becoming right angle. It is right angle, you know. This gap is not changing, no. Same gap, like this I am. Like this I am. But gap is not changing, no. Position only changing. Gap is not changing. So that's why think about gap. Gap is more important. What is important? Gap. You see, this is looking cross, but this gap is how? Right gap is there. Right angle gap is there. So like that, if you are finding any type of right angles in this, you have to be drawn. You see, road is there here like this. So cross looking, but this gap is, you see, right angle gap only, no? L-shaped gap. L-shaped gap. L-shaped gap. So wherever, however it may be, if you are finding the L-shaped gap exactly, that is called as right angle. R-I-G-H-T-A-N-G-L-E. Right angle. Okay? So today you have learned about what is angle and what is right angle. What is angle and what is right angle. So complete the work up to page number 61. Complete the work up to page number 61. Okay? You can do that in the textbook page only, I think, not in the notebook also. Okay, will you complete? Yes. Okay, very good. Thank you. Have a nice day.